Good morning, student. Welcome to Sheba online class. Now we are going to matter and around us. Last class we are learning the type of mixing the homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now I am told the another one subject separation is a sublimation, centrifugation and solvent extraction. You have studied the detailed form. Okay. The types of, already I told you last class, the type of mixer. One is a homogeneous and a heterogeneous. What is a homogeneous? Homogeneous means same. For example, sugar and water dissolve, you cannot any substances will be appearance. Okay, so that is called the homogeneous. Next, heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means different. For example, solid mixing with the water is you cannot see any substances. You can see the substances only for the sand. Is not dissolved in the water, sand and water. Okay. Now we are going to sublimation. What is the sublimation? Sublimation is a standard of the solid changes into the direct form of the vapor. Solid is a heating the process, certainly vapor will be changed, no forming the liquid formation. So that is called the sublimation. Okay, I explained that the experiment. I do the experiment sublimation. So what is the sublimation? Sublimation process the certain solid substances only, but the substances directly changes into gaseous form without forming the liquid. First of all, when the heat ammonium chloride and sand, take the ammonium chloride and sand. Okay, the china dish, take the china dish, ammonium chloride and sand first. Next, the china dish covered the perforated asbestos sheet. What is mean the perforated asbestos sheet? So that is called the tiny pores, small pores. Heating evaporate the pores only will become. Okay. Next, perforated asbestos sheet. Then first of all, china dish. I take the china dish and ammonium chloride, sand will be mixing. So covered with the perforated asbestos sheet. And then next, your stand will be one stand will be stand supported to the stand one. Okay. Next, the funnel with covered with the absorb reversible type. One funnel, you take the one funnel and then with the funnel inverted and cotton plug with the closed on the upper side. Cotton plug with the tip of the upper side. So okay, when the heater ammonium chloride directly converted into vapor. When the heat will be directly converted into vapor on the ammonium chloride. For ammonium chloride directed vapor, not the forming the liquid formation. Only vapor will be came to upper sides. Okay. Ammonium chloride leave directly converted to the vapor. This process is a sublimation. Okay. It's a directly separating solid which are the converted the vapor. So that is called a separated. Okay. Once again I explain the diagram of the sublimation. So sublimation, first of all you take the china dish, ammonium chloride and sand. You take the china dish and covered with the perforated asbestos sheet. So what is that perforated asbestos sheet? So that is called the tiny pores, small pores, and evaporated ammonium chloride evaporated to the funnel. Okay, vapor gaseous formation evaporated to the pores. Okay, next take ammonium chloride and sand covered with the perforated asbestos sheet. Okay, next funnel, take one funnel and inverted size and plug with the cotton plug with the upper side of the closed the funnel. So first of all heating the process and ammonium chloride only leave the vapor. So sand only deposit to the china clay only. Okay, this process is called the sublimation. So certainly directed to the solid formation, no forming liquid and no forming liquid directly, gaseous formation only for the sublimation. Okay, solid formation, separation of the vapor is of the sublimation. Another, the coal will be vapor, and then again the solid form of the other will become solid formation. That's all. Okay, next centrifugation. What is the centrifugation? I show the one diagram. Next form, the centrifugation. So learning about beyond centrifugation, study of centrifugation. It is a process which is the working the basis of the centrifugal of the machine. Centrifugal of the machine. The force applied from the rotating of the object, the centrifugal formation. The force will be applying the rotating of the object. So we are centrifugal carried about the special type of machine. Centrifugal carried about the special type of machine. So that is called the rotating object. Okay. Next, which is the centrifugal, the process happening for the separation of the method. What will be separation? Solid and liquid formation will be separation. So the separation, centrifugal rotate the very high speed, rotate the very high speed of the machine. So rotate the centrifugal heavier solid particles that deposited to the bottom of the side. Bottom of the side, liquid will become in the other the upper sides. So that is called the centrifugal. Next, what is the uses of the centrifugal? In milk dairies is used for the separate cream and milk. So that is called the centrifugal. And another one example, in washing machine. You know washing machine? The washing machine principle use the squeeze out of water from the cloth. Next one, another one example say. Next time pathological. Next one using pathological, the labor using the labor blood cells only separated for the centrifugal of the centrifugal machine. Okay, you know all. Centrifugal machines will the peculiar machines only the rotate the high speed. What will you using? The solid and liquid separation to the bottom side of the solid and upper side of the liquid. So that is called separating the centrifugal of the machine. Okay. So third type of solvent extraction. Third type of the machine, solvent extraction. The using the two immersible liquid will be, they are not mixable and immixable. Mixable and immixable. For example, kerosene and water, we are take the immersible. Okay, will not mix them each and every one. Kerosene and water mixing. Last class I studied the oil and water. It is a float on the water in the water surface of the oil. You know. Next, the same process, extraction is the solvent. Okay, will be floating on the water. Oil and water, it will become separating of the water. If will not be mixed with the water using the apparatus. So separating of the funnel, upper side and lower side, separating of the funnel. So using the apparatus separating the, for example, pharmaceuticals and the petroleum industries will be using this method of the solvent of the extraction method. So okay, so three process will be finished. One is a sublimation and a centrifugation, solvent extraction. Sublimation means the certain directly solid will be heating the form of the vapor. Next one is a centrifugation. What is a centrifugation? The centrifugation, the high speed rotate the object, solid and the liquid formation will be immersible of the separating of the machine. For example, centrifugation. Solvent extraction, that only same process. Last class we are studying the oil and the water mixing. What is the what type of the heterogeneous type? What type of the mixers? Hetero type of the mixer. That only solvent extractions will be using the experiment and then for separating for the solid and liquid formation. Solid and another one oil. For example, oil and water. Take the oil and the water. Mixing with well is first of all the you cannot see the substances and the oil and the water. So that's called the process of the mixing of the type of mixing the sublimation, centrifugation, solvent extraction. So that is called the, I will do the experiment for the sublimation, and then I show the diagram centrifugation and solvent extraction. Next one, Brownian movement. What is the Brownian movement? Brownian movement, it can be seen that colloid particles are the moving of the constantly and rapidly zigzag direction. So first of all the molecule part will be seen that this colloidal or the expressing of the constantly and zigzag method of the Brownian movement. Okay, you are go to further class 10 standard, you are study the detail formation. Okay, next Tyndall effect. What is the Tyndall effect? That same pattern Tyndall observed that when a strong beam light is focused the colloid to pure solution and then reflected to the colloid solution. So the beam light focused the colloid solution, the part of the beam became visible. So that is called Tyndall effect. Okay, understand? Next one is a emulsion. Emulsions are kinds of colloid. What is a emulsion? Is a colloid two or more immiscible liquid when the form of the dispersed in the another liquid. For means the type of liquid, particle get the emulsion. So types of emulsion, the two types of emulsion, one is the example for the water and the oil is a emulsion. Water plus oil mixing with the example of the emulsion. Okay, first see the diagram, Tyndall effect. Okay, next one is a emulsion formation. Is a emulsion CO2 form when the developed to the disposal in water. You can see water in emulsion or the butter, ghee, butter, milk. So these are all the two product will be came. So that is called the emulsion. Once again I remind the lesson, revise the lessons depending upon the element and the compound. What is this is the matter is classified to the two part. One is a element and another one is a compound formation. Element and compound is considered to be one of the pure substances. Element, already I told that the last class, element will be pure substances. They cannot see any one substances. All are dissolved in water. I do the experiment last class. Okay. Next, the compound only mixing contain the chemical reaction. Compound mixing the chemical reaction. Homogeneous mixes is a two type of mixing. One is a homogeneous and another one is a heterogeneous. Okay, already I told the last class I will told the homo means same, hetero means different. So we cannot see the any one substances that dissolve in water. For example, sugar and water mixing with well, you cannot see any one substances. So that is called the homogeneous. Heterogeneous, I have last class study. You are study the last class oil plus water and another one is sugar plus sand. So they all mixing well and you cannot see the substances only for the separating for the heterogeneous. Okay. Next, it is the homogeneous is mixing the true solution alloys and heterogeneous colloids and suspension for the another and the two types of dividing. First one is a homogeneous dividing the two type. One is a true solution, another one is a alloys. Second one heterogeneous mixing the two. Then first one is a colloid solution and then suspension solution. Next the mixer. Mixer will be the type of the sublimation, centrifugation, solvent extraction. So solid plus solid, they cannot dissolve in anyone dissolve. Okay, insoluble solution. Solid plus solid is a dissolving insoluble solution. So solid plus liquid, immiscible of the solution, immiscible of the liquid of the formation, solid plus liquid. So three process: sublimation, centrifugation, solvent extraction. So first one is a direct certain will be direct change the gaseous form. Nobody forming the liquid. Understand? Is very carefully. Sublimation process certain will be can be directed formation of the gaseous form, and then gaseous form and again cooled with the they come to the solid formation. Okay, this process again the rotating of the sublimation process. Okay, next is centrifugation. What is the centrifugation? The centrifugation is a high rotate of the machine, the solid and liquid separating to the bottom and the upper sides of the centrifugation. For example, I told that for example washing machine, you know washing machine, the space out of water and the dry clothes. So that is called the centrifugation examples. Another one example laboratory blood, which one is here? Blood is separated to the many RBC, WBC, and then hemoglobin, blood platelets, and plasma. All are on the separated for the this process, the centrifugation process. Blood is a pathological laboratory using the blood cells only separating for the centrifugation. So solvent extraction, again I tell oil and water. So oil and water mixing with well, what will you do? What will you observe? The oil float on the water is don't dissolve in water, oil. So that is called the solvent extraction. Next another two one is a simple distillation. That same process. Solid will be heating process, liquid, then liquid again heating the gaseous formation. So that is called the simple distillation formation. Next one is here chromatography. What is the chromatography? Absorption, and there are two types of the chromatography, absorption and absorptions. For example, I will take one chalk, immerse the ink. So what will you observe? Is absorbing fully the color of the white chalk piece. Okay, that is called the absorption. Next one is here is a Brownian movement. So Brownian movement is colloid particles, only for the colloid particles. What is the colloid particles? The colloid particles moving constantly is a direction of the zigzag direction. Colloid forms directly, true solution, colloid solutions, you know that. So direct constantly zigzag formation will be appeared the Brownian movement. Next one is here Tyndall effect. What is the Tyndall effect? The Tyndall effect absorbing the light will be focused to the pure water and is expressing water strong to the beam. Light is focused to the another one sides the colloid of the solution. So that is called the Tyndall effect. Okay. Listen children. First lesson physics I will finish. Second lesson matter and around us chemistry. Finish this lesson, chemistry lesson over, physics and chemistry over. Next you are every day you sit at home, every day you write and reading practice well. Okay, next day you are send the homework and the WhatsApp group every day. Okay, some of the students are sent, some others not sending. I am note the student name. Okay, you are regularly you are send up the group. Thank you.